So this video is to show you how to connect your Quizizz account to your Google Classroom account. You'll notice that I am logged in to my Quizizz account. I already have classes created. So I'm not sure if the process is, I don't think the process is going to be any different, but you notice I already have 6 period classes, but there's this connect Google Classroom. And I'm assuming that you're going to need your Google Classroom set up before doing this. So if I click that button, see what happens here. It's going to ask me to sign into which Google account. Allow all this. It's manage all kinds of different things, but allow that. And now it looks like I'm going to have to import my Google classes. That'll be interesting to see what happens. I don't want my advisory. I don't want my brother's 7th grade math. No. Don't want that. Save. And you'll notice now that I have my old classes are there, but then I've got these new classes that correspond to my Google Classroom. So, not that I've assigned anything, but now everything that is done in Quizizz will be pushed to Google Classroom. Hope that helps.